Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Ford Territory, stock reference number 3933. This shape runs from the 4th month 2011 through to the 12th month 2016. It has a 2.7 litre V6 turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 2.7 litre V6 turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Unfortunately, we don't have much on the rear end except for the glass, the tailgate and the wiper motor and arm. Right hand rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror has a tiny little scratch. Right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior. It does have a little rip in the driver's seat. Black leather center console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster. Vehicle's done 66,000. And a 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.